Welcome, nature lovers. Today we're going to delve into the fascinating world of bamboo. Our first stop? Well, did you know that bamboo is the fastest growing plant on the planet? Some species can grow up to 91 centimeters in a single day.
As amazing as that sounds, bamboo isn't a tree, it's actually a grass. There are more than 1,500 different species of bamboo on the planet. Bamboo is highly adaptable and thrives in a variety of climates, from cold mountains to hot tropical regions. Bamboo releases 30% more oxygen into the atmosphere and absorbs more carbon dioxide compared to other plants. A bamboo grove can reduce surrounding air temperatures up to 8 degrees Celsius. Even after harvesting, bamboo continues to thrive and grow. No need for replanting. Bamboo prevents soil erosion and restores degraded land. Bamboo is not just a plant, it is a significant part of people's lifestyle across several cultures.
People consume bamboo shoots as a delicacy in several parts of Asia.
In construction, bamboo offers an impressive strength-to-weight ratio that surpasses even steel. Now prepare to be amazed. Bamboo can be a sustainable replacement for popular hardwoods. Did you know? Bamboo fibers can be used to make a soft, antibacterial fabric.
It's true, you can wear bamboo. It's used to create everything from underwear to t-shirts, socks, and even nappies.
Adding to its superhero list of uses, bamboo is now being used to make sturdy, eco-friendly bicycles.
Bamboo is also used for medical purposes in the treatment of infections and healing.
It can aid in reducing symptoms of menopause, lowering blood pressure, and managing weight.
Bamboo is food for several animal species, including the giant panda, mountain gorilla, and the Madagascar lemur.
Can you guess what bamboo can be used for in your home? It's a natural, non-toxic choice to plastic utensils and containers.
Speaking of homes, bamboo is used in furniture, flooring, and cabinetry material due to its durability and eco-friendly characteristics.
Some cultures even use bamboo for paper production.
That's right, your notebook paper could be made out of bamboo.
Speaking of unusual uses, bamboo has been used as a biofuel.
There are even bamboo keyboards, mouses, and laptops.
Did you know that the world's largest bamboo plant reached an astounding height of 41 meters? That's nearly as tall as the Statue of Liberty.
We're sure you didn't know this. The world record for bamboo fishing pole length is 34 meters.
Thanks to bamboo, we've been able to develop some cool technology, like bamboo batteries.
Believe it or not, bamboo has found its way into musical instruments like flutes, saxophones, and even xylophones.
Bamboo holds a huge cultural significance in Asia, where it symbolizes longevity, friendship, and diligence.
And finally, here's fact number 30. There's a bamboo species called walking bamboo. The good news, it won't run away. Rather, it spreads in such a way that the grove appears to walk across the landscape over time.